Have you ever wondered how unique and fascinating the animal kingdom could be? From the tiniest of insects to the largest of mammals, the animal kingdom is a treasure trove of diversity and intrigue. It's a realm where nature's creativity knows no bounds, where evolution has painted a picture of life in its most vibrant and varied forms. Our planet is home to an estimated 8 million different species of animals, each with their own set of unique characteristics, behaviors, and ways of life. Life on Earth is a grand tapestry, woven from countless threads of animal existence. These myriad creatures play pivotal roles in our ecosystem, each contributing in their own way to the balance of nature. For instance, consider the humble bee. While it might be best known for its sting or its honey, the bee is actually one of the most important pollinators on the planet. Without them, around 70% of the world's crops would fail. Imagine a world without fruits, vegetables, and nuts. That's the power of one small insect. But it's not just about the roles they play in the ecosystem. Animals are also captivating in their own right, with abilities and behaviors that often seem to defy belief. Did you know, for example, that an octopus has 3 hearts, or that a snail can sleep for up to 3 years? These are just a few of the fascinating facts that the animal kingdom has to offer. But there's so much more to discover. From the blistering speeds of the cheetah to the dazzling light shows of fireflies, from the super strength of beetles to the incredible resilience of tardigrades, we're going to delve into the world of animals like never before. So whether you're a seasoned naturalist or just someone who loves a good trivia, we've got something for you. We're about to embark on a journey that's as enlightening as it is entertaining, as we explore some of the most unbelievable facts about the animal kingdom. Now buckle up for a fascinating journey through the animal kingdom. Did you know that a cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds? That's right, folks. Our feline friend here is the embodiment of speed, a veritable nature-made race car. Let's dive into the details. The cheetah is built for speed, from its lightweight frame to its specialized muscles. Its body is lean and aerodynamic, built more like a greyhound than a lion. Its large nasal passages allow for increased oxygen intake during high-speed chases, and its adrenal gland kicks into overdrive, releasing adrenaline to boost its heart rate and blood sugar. But the cheetah's speed isn't just about its physical attributes, it's also about strategy. A cheetah uses its exceptional eyesight to spot prey from far away. Then it sneaks up as close as possible before launching into a full-speed chase. It's a game of strategy as much as it is a sprint. Now let's put this into perspective. Imagine the fastest sports car you can think of. A Bugatti perhaps, or a McLaren. These machines are engineered for speed, crafted with precision and powered by roaring engines. Yet a cheetah, a creature of flesh and blood, can match these mechanical wonders in acceleration. A McLaren P1, for example, can go from 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Yes, that's faster than a cheetah, but consider this. The McLaren is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 903 horsepower. The cheetah? It runs on heartbeats and muscle, fueled by instinct and survival. So in a world where speed is often associated with horsepower and engine roar, the cheetah stands as a testament to nature's engineering prowess. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most impressive feats of speed don't come from a lab or a factory, but from the heart of the wild. So the next time you admire a fast car, remember nature did it first. Ever wondered how fireflies produce their enchanting light? Well, hold on to your hats because it's about to get scientific. You see, fireflies are the masters of bioluminescence, a nifty trick that allows them to produce light within their own bodies. This is all thanks to a chemical reaction happening inside them involving a light-emitting pigment called luciferin, an enzyme aptly named luciferase, and oxygen. But why do they go through all this trouble? Well, it's not just for our amusement. Fireflies use their light to communicate in the dark, much like we use our words. They send out specific patterns of flashes to attract a potential mate. It's like they're saying, "Hey, look at me, I'm over here and I'm pretty fantastic." And, if a predator comes along, their light serves as a warning signal, indicating that they taste absolutely awful. So, the next time you see a firefly, remember, it's not just a light show, it's a love story or a survival strategy. Did you realize that beetles represent about 25% of all known life forms on Earth? Now that's a lot of beetles. These tiny creatures are a marvel of diversity and resilience in the animal kingdom. With over 400,000 species, beetles come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from the minuscule feather-winged beetles to the giant titan beetles. Beetles are the true superheroes of our planet, often overlooked but always hard at work. They are nature's recyclers, contributing significantly to the decomposition process. From munching on dead wood and plant matter to breaking down animal carcasses, beetles play a vital role in returning nutrients back to the soil. They help keep our planet clean and healthy, all while going about their day-to-day lives. Moreover, beetles are a crucial part of the food chain. They are a major food source for many birds, mammals, and other insects. In some parts of the world, humans even consider them a delicacy. So, not only do they clean up the planet, but they also feed its inhabitants. But let's not forget about their superpowers. Some beetles, like the bombardier beetle, have a rather explosive defense mechanism. When threatened, they release a hot, noxious chemical spray from the tip of their abdomen, deterring any potential predators. Others, like the dung beetle, possess incredible strength. They can push or roll a ball of dung that is up to 50 times their own body weight. Now that's what I call superhero strength. But the superhero story of beetles doesn't end here. Many beetle species have adapted to survive in the harshest of conditions, from the freezing Arctic tundra to the scorching desert sands. Their resilience and adaptability truly set them apart. So, the next time you see a beetle, remember, it's a tiny superhero in disguise. These little guys may not wear capes, but they certainly deserve a place in the Superhero Hall of Fame. Have you ever heard of a creature that can survive in extreme conditions, including outer space? Let me introduce you to the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microanimal is no larger than a speck of dust, yet it holds the title for being the most resilient creature on Earth. Tardigrades are fascinating and almost mythical. They've been around for over 500 million years, outliving the dinosaurs and surviving all 5 mass extinctions that wiped out most other life on Earth. Now that's what I'd call a survivor. But what is it that makes tardigrades so hardy? Well, it's their extraordinary survival skills. These little creatures can withstand temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius, that's colder than space itself, and as high as 150 degrees Celsius, hotter than boiling water. They can survive pressures up to 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches and can endure radiation levels that would obliterate other life forms. And if you think that's impressive, hold on to your hats because these creatures can also survive in the vacuum of space. Yes, you heard it right, the vacuum of space. In 2007, scientists sent tardigrades into orbit aboard a satellite, exposing them to the harsh conditions of outer space. And guess what? They survived, returning to Earth and even reproducing successfully. But how do they do it? Tardigrades have a unique ability to go into a state of suspended animation, called cryptobiosis, when conditions get tough. They curl up into a dehydrated ball, known as a tun, effectively halting their metabolism. In this state, they can survive for decades until conditions improve. So the next time you think about survivors, remember, tardigrades are the ultimate survival champions. They've mastered the art of survival in the harshest conditions imaginable, teaching us that size doesn't always matter when it comes to resilience. These tiny water bears are a testament to the extraordinary diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. So, what's your take on these amazing animal facts? We've journeyed through the animal kingdom, marveled at the speed of cheetahs, and been dazzled by the light show of fireflies. We've admired the superhero-like strengths of beetles, and been amazed by the ultimate survivors, the tardigrades. Each creature in its own right holds a unique place in this world, revealing the incredible diversity and complexity of life on our planet. From the fastest runners to the brightest glow, from the strongest flyers to the toughest survivors, every animal has a story to tell and a lesson to teach. We encourage you to share your thoughts on these fascinating facts. And if you have any other interesting animal trivia up your sleeve, don't hold back. The world is a vast, curious place brimming with wonders and mysteries. Remember, the animal kingdom is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring and stay curious.